Okay, now I'm going to be demonstrating imagine T-junction turning left. So for that particular subject, we're going to be using MSPSL, mirror signal position speed look. Also, we're going to be looking at open and closed junction. So let's move on and demonstrate that. So I can see end of the road, the T-junction coming up. So I'm going to check my center mirror, left signal, position normal, 3 to 4 car, use my brake. I'm going to start looking right, left, right, and go to first gear because it's closed junction. I'm going to be still looking. I can see there's a white van coming from the right hand side. Okay, I'm just going to stop for them. I'm going to keep looking, keep scanning for any cars on the main road. At the moment there's nothing there, so I'm just going to turn my wheel into my new road, wheel straight, check my center mirror, right mirror. Okay, we've got another junction, T-junction coming up, so I'm going to check my mirrors, signal left, position normal, use my brake, it's closed junction, into first gear, looking, my turning point there, I'm going to turn my wheel, keep looking, roads are clear, I'm going to turn my wheel, get my wheel straight, and check my mirrors, pick up the speed.